In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store connected to HubSpot so the two platforms can talk to each other and keep your data flowing smoothly. First, open your HubSpot account and look toward the top right corner. Click the Marketplace icon to go straight to the HubSpot app marketplace. It's the place where you find official integrations and apps that plug into your HubSpot portal. If you don't see the icon, make sure you're in the main HubSpot dashboard and that your user has permission to install apps. Once you're in the marketplace, use the search bar and type Shopify. You should see the Shopify app appear in the results. Open that app page to review the overview and make sure you're on the official listing. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot may ask you to confirm which account you're installing the app into, so double-check you're choosing the right portal if you manage more than one. After clicking Install, you'll be prompted to add your Shopify subdomain and connect it. This is the store address you use on Shopify. Typically, it's the part before .myshopify.com. If you use a custom domain for your storefront, you can still enter the original Shopify subdomain here. Type it carefully and continue. Typos are a common reason connections fail on the first try. During this process, make sure you're signed in to both HubSpot and Shopify with accounts that have the right permissions. In Shopify, an admin-level login works best. In HubSpot, you'll need permission to install apps. If either platform asks you to authorize access, go ahead and approve. You'll see screens requesting permission, so the integration can read and write the data it needs. That's normal, and it's required for the systems to share information. If you're redirected to a login screen at any point, simply sign in and you'll be brought back to the install flow automatically. If nothing seems to happen after you click Install, check your browser for blocked pop-ups, then try again. And there you go. Once the connection confirms, your HubSpot and Shopify are linked. As a quick recap, you opened the app marketplace in HubSpot, searched for Shopify, installed the app, entered your Shopify subdomain, and ensured you were signed in and granted permissions on both sides. That's all you need to get the integration in place. If you ever run into an error, recheck the subdomain spelling and your login status, then restart the connection flow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined so-so.